Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to use the normal table as temporary table. So often we have a requirement where we want to use a normal table as our temporary table. So we'll create a runnable class. I'll click on this add button here. We'll go to class, and we'll create here runnable class. Okay, so what I will do, so I will take a small table here, that is customer group. So I will define a buffer of this table. Okay, and now when I say here cust group dot cust group, I will see cust group as new, something like this, new 1, 2, 3. I will close this, and here what I could say cust group dot insert. Okay, so we are doing CRUD operation, so we'll use TDS begin and comment here. Okay, so now here if you see, like, this is the normal table. Now there's a function called set temp. So let me show you. So when you write here cust group dot set tmp, so this is a function by which now this table will become a temporary table. It means the data that is created here, it is just will be available inside this spaces. As soon as the scope will go out, this data will get wiped out. Okay, so let's insert one more here. So what I could say here something like cust group dot clear, and then let me insert one more record here. Okay, cust group, and I will say new 3 to 1, no reverse of this. I will say cust group insert. Okay, so now when I will iterate to this table, I will say while select cust group, this one, and here I can also display, so I will use info str fmt. I will simply say here this group is, I'll use this, I'll close this, I'll put single inverted commas only, and here I will simply say cust group dot cust group. So I'll close my braces. Okay, so let's do a build and we'll see what would be our output here. So let me trigger the build. So build is completed here. So I've already run this class. So here if you see, we have these two data available, like 3 to 1 and 1 to 3 in our enable class. But when I will refresh my cust group, we will not see these records getting created. Yes, here, if you see here. So let me reiterate this particular code here. So this was the normal table, but we temporarily make this particular instance as set temp. Now this actually, table buffer becomes temporary. Then we could do insert operation. We could, call different kind of functions from here, and then we also inserted data. And here we even iterated through this particular object, and we could see the cust groups gets created, and in the runnable class they are visible. But as soon as this code will get out of this, and those temporary tables or those temporary buffer will get cleaned up. So now when you will go to actual table, you will see nothing here, like those two records will not be available there. So thank you for watching this video.